This demonstration you'll see how to enable Pixie and Multicast on a distribution point. So what we've done is we've come into our System Center Config Manager console. Next thing we're going to do is come to our administration workspace, and within our administration workspace we're going to come to site configuration, and within site configuration we're going to go to our server and site system roles. Then what we'll do is we'll just wait for this to refresh. Once it's refreshed, we'll come to distribution point, we'll just right click on distribution point, and then what we'll do is we'll go to properties. Now we've done that, we'll just come to our Pixie tab, and on our Pixie tab what we want to do at this point here is we want to enable Pixie support for clients. Brings up a little warning, it's just saying that if we are using this, clients will use the following ports to connect to this site system server. So they're going to use ports 67, 68, 69, 4011. For operating system installation, we're also going to use port 69, and if we do use Windows Firewall on this server, Config Manager will automatically configure rules to allow these ports. If we use other firewalls, we must remember to configure these ports. Are we sure we still want to enable this? Yes. So just working down the support here, so we have enabled Pixie support for clients. We've got this allow this distribution point to respond to incoming Pixie requests. Well, yes, we do want it to be able to do that, so we'll select tick box here. Enable unknown computer support. So at this point here, what we will do is we'll say yes to that as well. It's saying here if we do enable this support, any unknown computers that use Pixie initiated operating system deployments will attempt to run required task sequences. Required task sequences that include operations such as apply operating system image and format of partition disk will destroy the data. Are we okay with this? Yes, we are. We're actually just going to clear the tick box to require a password when the computers use Pixie. So that's fine. And then what we'll do is we'll leave everything else, so we will respond to Pixie requests. User device affinity, we're not going to use user device affinity, but we could. And then what we have is we have our Multicast tab. And then on our Multicast tab, we're just going to enable Multicast to simultaneously send data to multiple computers. What we've then got down here is we've got Multicast connection account, so we'll use the computer account of this distribution point to connect to the primary site. Yep, we're happy with that. Down here, Multicast address settings, so we'll use IP version 4 addresses within any range. Again, we'll leave that. And then UDP port, we're happy with the start and end ports. We're happy with the client transfer rate. We're happy with the maximum number of clients as well. We're not going to bother modifying anything else, so at this point here is we'll just select OK. We're definitely not going to enable scheduled multicast, although in the real world we probably would probably want to do it overnight, but we'll select OK. So now what we've done is we have now enabled Pixie and Multicast support. So all we'll do here is we'll just go to our monitoring tab. And on our monitoring tab, what we'll do is we'll just look for our distribution status. Within our distribution status, we'll just look for distribution point group status. Wait for this to refresh. No items found. We only have a single distribution point server, so we'll just come to distribution point configuration status. Tick box. Tick box is good. That means that we have now configured our server. The other thing to look for here is Pixie is yes and Multicast is yes. So not only does the green blob indicate we have success, but the columns also indicate we have success. That's the end of this demonstration. Thank you.